protection for public education for the next school year, and support for learning recovery after this bad pandemic. These are all priorities for the Ontario government. Today, we have the pleasure of speaking with the Minister of Education, Stephen Lecce.
Thank you so much. Good to be here. We are 100% committed to ensuring that students return to school in September with $1.6 billion in new investment to ensure that there is a safe classroom for the kids to go to. That includes money for public health nurses in our schools. It includes money for PPE, for quality masks. It includes supports for better cleaning and testing within our schools. And of course, a lot of this has to do with supporting children with their reading and with math skills, reading recovery and learning recovery, as you suggested. So we've put in place a strong multi-billion-dollar plan to really make sure that kids are well positioned to succeed, to stay safe, and to learn every day in their class. There are some students who've left the school system. Part of our announcement is about getting them back into our schools. It's why we've put in place $2 billion of net new investment under our progressive conservative government, because we are firmly committed. We want every child, every single child, to be able to have the supports they need to succeed in our school system. So we've provided additional money specifically targeting the skills that we think young people need. And what we've seen around the world, the pandemic has impacted reading, mathematics, and writing. And so we've put $85 million dedicated specifically to helping to hire more tutors for math for children in our schools, more money for direct one-on-one support from our teachers, more funding to hire more staff. All of this is going to make a big difference to make sure our kids have a positive year after what's been a challenge globally, not just in Ontario, a global challenge with kids out of class and with obviously mental health challenges as well. And that's why I'm proud that our government is investing 4 times more, 400% more than what the former Liberal government did in 2017-18. We're investing $80 million that can help support the hiring of 1,000 additional mental health workers. And that's going to make a big difference to help children get them access to the therapy, the support that they may need because of COVID-19. With respect to the university and college system, I'm very proud that the government has announced that, again, we're going to be freezing tuition for post-secondary institutions. No increase in tuition for this coming year, which is important because tuition rose every year, almost every year under the former Liberal government. And our government, not only do we cut tuition for university and college students, this year we froze it because we know it's been tough. We're also focused on helping young people get jobs. And in the Ministry of Education, we've just announced an initiative that's going to help create summer learning opportunities for young people. So they get jobs, they can create an income and save and be able to pay for their education with a sense of confidence. So we're going to continue to help these young people get the best job, good paying jobs in Ontario.
Of course. Minister Lecce, thank you so much for your time.